ProMaster's Vlogging Kit comes with everything that you need to create well-lit content. The included ProMaster mobile LED ring light is very easy to operate. There's just two controls, a brightness knob and a color temperature knob, where you can adjust from cool color temperatures to warm tones based on the mood that you're trying to create or to match your ambient light. You can place a small camera inside, or you can use the included smartphone holder, which works in both horizontal and vertical positions. There's an included rechargeable battery, or you can run off of AC power, and there's a handy carrying case that's included. The included LSCT light stand folds down to just 16 inches for ease of transport, but can get as tall as 75.5 inches, which is a lot taller than I have it set up right now. The ring light will provide you with beautiful, soft, flattering light and produce a round catch light in your eyes. The LSCT stand makes this extremely compact and portable, so you can take this kit with you anywhere that you go. To purchase these items separately, you would normally pay around $205, but this complete kit is only $149.95.